Hello students, good morning. I am your teacher Jyotiranjan present here to study our new prose Storm in the Garden. So this is our fourth unit and we have completed our first prose Rain. Now we are going to read the second prose or the second part of our unit Storm in the Garden. So let us start reading this chapter and today you have to only read this chapter aloud in your home. Sunu Sunu the snail is playing with his friends, the ants. Suddenly there is a storm. He hurries to his mother and tells her all he saw and heard. So Sunu Sunu is a snail and he was playing with his friends ants and suddenly there was a storm. So he returned to his mother and said all the things that he had listened or saw. So Sunu Sunu the snail was visiting his friends, the ants. They climbed all over him. They climbed all over him. Suddenly a great white light crashed through the clouds. Sunu Sunu quickly pulled in his head, pulled in his tail, and sat very still. Outside, the sky grew dark and the crows flew past. Ka, 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 ka. Oh, but where were the ants? Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers and looked for them. They were hiding under a flower pot. Go home, Sunu Sunu, the ants cried out. Hurry, hurry, your mother will worry. Sunu Sunu went to his mother, where she sat under a stone near the well. Amma, said Sunu Sunu, there is a storm in the garden. I heard the wind blow, blow, blow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I saw trees sway, sway, sway. Say. I saw lightning flash, flash, flash. Jack, 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 jack. I heard thunder roll, roll, roll. Gudum, 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 gudum. I heard rain fall, fall, fall. Sita, 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 pita, pita, sita, sita, pita, pita. I heard water drip, drip, plip, 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 plip. It was the biggest storm Sunu Sunu had ever been in. Ooh, ooh, say, jack, 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 gudum, 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 sita, sita, pita, pita, sita, sita, pita, pita, plip, plip, plip. And do you know what? Sunu Sunu didn't get to it. Do you know why? So this is our prose. First of all, you have to read the read the prose aloud in front of your elders, and then underline the difficult words. So here are some difficult words given, but you have to uh, underline the new words or difficult words for you in the whole prose. And today you have to draw a snail. Today you have to draw a snail in your notebook. So this is our new prose Storm in the Garden. We have read it. Now we are going to discuss the about this prose in the very next class. So before going to the next class, let us have a clear idea about our new chapter Storm in the Garden. So Storm in the Garden is a chapter about raining and or about storm. So the main character of our chapter is a snail whose name is Sunu Sunu. Sunu Sunu was playing with his friends ants. So ants were his friends and he was playing with them. Suddenly a storm arrives and what happens or what happens with Sunu Sunu, what he heard and what he listened is our main theme approach. So we will discuss it about it later. Today you should make a picture of snail and read the whole chapter and underline the difficult words. So thank you.